Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited because I am going to be sharing 4 stunning Valentine projects, and they are all created with wood rounds. Let's go ahead and dive into our first project. In all my projects I'm going to be using the same colors. I am going to be using the cloudless and the color white. I am going to go ahead and give it one entire heavy coat to this wood round. Once I'm done painting this wood round, I'll put it to the side, and then I purchased this beautiful wood heart. Guess where? Yep, at the Dollar Tree. And I said that I wasn't gonna buy much at the Dollar Tree, but yes, Loli uploaded a short on YouTube and she was showing these wood hearts. Oh my god, these wood hearts, and I just fell in love. So I just had to run and go get them. So on my defense, yeah, Loli, shame on you. So I had to go buy it. And then of course I put in lots of hot glue in the back. I want to make sure that it doesn't fall out. And I just go ahead and place it on that wood round. I have Love, XOX, and Kiss Me. I opted for this one, Love. So I'm going to go ahead and give it one entire coat with, first I started with the blue, but then I said, that's not going to work out. So yes, I came out with the linen white and I gave it just one coat. And then once it's dry, of course, more hot glue, and then I'm going to glue it inside the heart. And now it's time to go ahead and distress this whole piece. I'm gonna distress the whole border with the sponge brush, but then I'm gonna come in with a brush and I'm gonna be doing the center. Today's video is part of an open collaboration called Wood Round or Wreath Wednesday, which takes place every 4th Wednesday of each month. This collaboration is hosted by myself and Loli from Loli's Creations, and each month we feature a guest host. And this month we are thrilled to have Tasha from Sunflower Tasha DIY join us. I've included their links and the playlist in the description box, so be sure to check them out for more inspiration and let them know that I sent you. The wood plaque is already dry, so I just came in with some jute cord and I am going to go ahead and tie it in the back because this is going to be going to the wall. And then I'll be working on the bow. And once again, I went to the bottom of my stash and I found these little ribbons already cut out. So I am going to be creating that bow with this, and these ribbons are so beautiful. And then of course, I'm just going to go ahead and tie them in the middle. And this piece of burlap ribbon, I'm cutting the wire section off. I'm fraying it on both sides, and then I'm going to be placing this right in the middle of the bow for a finished look. I am loving this style. If you saw my prior video, I did something like this as well. I think this ribbon looks really nice like that in the middle. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. I just want to take a moment to thank all of you for stopping by and checking out my channel. Your support means so much to me, and I truly appreciate every single view, like, and comment. If you haven't subscribed yet, it is completely free. Just hit that red button and join our growing family. I cannot wait to share more creative inspiration with you, and I am grateful to have you here on this journey. With plenty of hot glue, I'm going to be securing this bow right on top of this wood round. And then of course I have flowers and greenery that I'm also going to be incorporating it. On this channel, I love sharing my thrift shopping finds, and last summer I hit the jackpot at a garage sale. I discovered these brand new flower bundles still wrapped up in the original package for just 50 cents each. It was such a good deal to pass up, so I grabbed 8 different bundles and I couldn't be happier with this purchase. And here it is, my dear friends, the final review. here is the second project. Off camera, I took this wood round and I did one coat of the same cloudless paint. And then this heart I purchased at Dollar Tree. These are new at the Dollar Tree. Well, actually last year I purchased one as well. So they had them that last year and I was so happy to find this one this year. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put glue right there where I'm pointing at, because this is where the wood round is going to be adhered to. These two colors are so beautiful together. I took also the same ribbon that I took away from, that I cut off the heart. I just made it into a bowl, and then with some hot glue, I'm gluing it right exactly where it was before. Look at this beautiful little tiny key. It says love and it has 4 hearts on the little handle. So with more hot glue, I'm gonna go ahead and place it on top of this ribbon. Oh my God, this is turning out absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. Love it. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section your thoughts. And of course, I have this braided shoe cord, if this is what you want to call it, and I am going to be gluing it around this plaque. So I found these in a package. I think they were from last year. I am going to be painting it again with that cloudless color. This is so pretty. I am just so in love with this color. I think I bought me like 5 little bottles of this cloudless. This is obsession what I have already with this color. So when I find this color, I just go ahead and buy a lot of them. Anyway, let's go ahead and glue it right here, and look at how gorgeous this is turning out. I am in love with it. And with the same braided jute cord, I'm just gonna go ahead and hot glue a little piece of this in the back, and now we have something to be able to hang it on any wall. Well, my dear crafty friends, this is almost done. It is time to vote, and you get to tell me which one you like the best, number 1 or 2. Let me know in the comments section your thoughts, and here is the final review for project number 2. For this third project, I'll be creating a beautiful garland, starting with this wood round. First, I'll be removing the jute cord, and then I will be moving on to paint the center. And I've also decided to paint some of these wood beads. And these white ones, I had them in my stash as well, so I'm just going to be alternating them. I'm going to be putting 1 white and 2 blue. Once that is done, then as you can see, I am putting the baker's twine in here because that's what I use to do the garland. I'm going to go ahead and tie it nice and tight, and then I'm going to be proceeding to create the tassel. So I'm going to continue with the heart theme. I am painting this little wood heart, and I am only going to give it one coat with this linen white chalk paint. After that is completely dry, then of course I'm taking more hot glue, and then I'm going to be gluing it right on this little wood round. This is so beautiful yet so simple to make. I hope that you guys get inspired and create something like this. And this is it, my dear friends. This was nice and simple, and here is the final review. I hope you enjoy it. For project number 4, I have this wood cutout and it says love. So I'm going to be painting it with this cloudless acrylic paint. I also have these 2 hearts, and these are from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be doing the same thing, only one coat. And then once that is completely dry, I am going to proceed to my next step. I have another wood round. I'm going to go ahead and paint it again with white chalk paint, or actually this is linen white. I'm going to give it 2 coats. All my pieces are completely dry now. I am going to, well, actually this little bowl, I found it in the bottom of my stash, and this bowl was already done. I think I tore this out of a different project and I put it to the side for future, and this is the future. So I went on and I glued it right on top of those hearts, and now I'm going to continue to glue everything in place. And once I'm done gluing everything together, then of course I'm going to go ahead and distress the entire piece as well. Before we finished, I want to remind you that the playlist is linked down below. Be sure to check out these talented creators and show them a lots of love. I'm also grateful you stayed until the end of this video. And if you have not subscribed yet, I am hoping that you consider subscribing and joining this family. Remember, the subscription is completely free, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. And now is the moment where you get to vote. Let me know which of these 4 projects you have enjoyed the most. Let me know in the comments section, and I will see you in my next video with more inspiration.